Got something in the mail today. I'm sure by the title of the video you figured out what it is. But anyway, let's get this bad boy unboxed. Very carefully. It says it's made in Taiwan, so take that, China. I've been having so much fun with the RC cars, I decided to get another one. This is the Ultimate Desert Racer, and my friend has one, and it's just amazing. It's a lot larger than the slash-based Raptor that I have, and much more detailed, very, very cool. Box with the box. This thing is very heavy, actually. I think this truck weighs like 20 pounds. I'm pretty sure I ordered one in a different color than this. Absolutely massive box. I believe I got it in the blue, which you can see here. And if this is scale size, then that's pretty big. I mean, the wheels are bigger than my palm. Crack this monster open. Factory sealed, okay. Got our controller. It's got menus and settings, but I don't know where the heck that even goes. What the owner's manual's for, I guess. This thing's big. I'll show a size comparison compared to my Raptor, but Jesus, this thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Big truck. Oh man, what did I get into? It looks great though. It's got this gray metallic paint on the side, nice bright blue, a little bit of excess, oh there we go, very satisfying peel. Got one on the front here too. Nice. Here is my Raptor by comparison. You can see this is, so the Desert Racer is a 1/7 scale. This is a 1/10 scale, so definitely looks to be quite a bit larger. And it certainly is a lot heftier in the underbits. I mean, we got metal setup, we got dual shocks, huge lower suspension arms here. I mean, look at these things, gigantic. It's just a big beefy beast. I mean, compare this front axle setup. Here, hold on, let me pop this off here. In fact, let me pop both of these off. 12 screws. 4 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then 4 on the sides. 2 on each side. So, in order to get this off, you need to wiggle it just a little bit. A pain in the butt, but what you need to do is slide one piece of the front over the light bar, but under the bumper, and then you kind of just go left and then right, and it'll kind of shake right off. But anyway, that is what it looks like underneath. This is plastic. I'm surprised, although I guess it will take a bigger beating when it's all said and done. But anyway, I mean, look at this freaking thing. Compare this to my Raptor Slash here. I mean, you know, this thing has LED lights and brake lights, and it's just pretty incredible. Look at the size of these things compared to this. I mean, these are that big on the slash, and they're twice the size on here, and you got twice as many. Huge springs. It just feels sturdy. I mean, man, it's crazy. Opposed to this, where it's just a tiny little plastic tray with a steering servo, radio control, and then, you know, the little engine in here. Definitely quite a massive difference in the two. This thing feels like a piece of crap. It's a really fun truck. I love it. This is the control for the lights. You can, I don't know, change them to work or not work. I figure I'll just have them on there. Little plastic guys here. You can remove them there if you want. Some plastic fire extinguishers and quarts of oil, and it looks like double batteries back here. These tires are real. You can use them as spares, and I can't wait to get this thing running. Difference in size. Here's a banana for scale, since I know you kiddos love that.